Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello everyone, welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button, also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next video.
For the first time, I had seen a president who didn't win or score very high in Abuja. So,
of the average Nigerian is actually on the low, and he's aware of it.
It is finally exposed, for those of you who are bent on supporting impunity, abominations, evil, wanting to make what is illegal to be legal to the rest of the Nigerian people, wanting to force somebody on the rest of Nigeria. Sam Amadi has exposed it all. Sam Amadi, Arise News Television, has just, broken the camel's back. Let me tell you, Sam Amadi, in his words, had said that this is the very first time he's seen in the history of Nigeria where a president did not win Abuja, or where a president did not score high in Abuja. He said the presidential inauguration exercise, the exchange of baton, and all other activities that looks more like that Abuja residents have decided to boycott some of these activities. That Abuja residents, they no send any of the activity. They didn't show up. That the street looks scanty. That is Nigeria. When we are supposed to be celebrating that we are having the seventh attempt of transition of power within the democratic dispensation, Nigerians are mourning. Nigerians are crying all over the world, home and abroad. That is the true nature of the nation we live in today. But yet they continue to force somebody on the rest of Nigerians. Even the APC guy, the guy who is part of the transition committee, what's his name? Sèériøůs said it, that even Tinubu himself knows that Nigeria of today, that they are at their lowest. He acknowledged that, a member of the presidential transition committee. Watch the rest of the video and continue to share it. One thing is crystal clear. In this life, no matter how you try, how much you try, you cannot cover the truth for a very long time. The truth will always prevail. We are still at the tribunal, just as Sam Amadi has said. Let's see what the tribunal will do to Nigerian people. God bless you as you share this video.
all is set for the exchange of baton between outgoing President Muhammadu Buhari and incoming President Bola Ahmed Tinubu on Monday, May 29. The Presidential Transition Council has announced a lot of preparations have gone into the ceremony, with different events lined up that will culminate in the grand finale at the Eagle Square on Monday, where the handover and swearing in will officially take place. It's Nigeria's 7th attempt at transmitting power from one democratic government to another since 1999, with Tinubu at the threshold of history as the 5th president in the 4th Republic. Well, to provide more insight about the transition program, we're now being joined by a member of the media committee of the Presidential Transition Council, Sèériøůs, and also with us is rice analyst Dr. Sam Amadi, who is also the director of Abuja School of Social and Political Thoughts. Gentlemen, thank you so much for joining us on the program. And I come to you, Sèériøòs. How's it been like? I mean, organizing all these activities? How's the transition council going, and how prepared is this council to give Nigerians a befitting handover event on Monday?
Yeah, I mean, it's been exciting. It's you know, hope renewed, you know, and on many fronts. And yes, the transition programs have, you know, took off about a few days ago, and it's been ongoing. And today there was an inauguration lecture at the ICC, you know. So it's coming well, and everything seems really good for Sèériøòs Tinubu to, you know, deliver to the Nigerian people his promises that he's made throughout the campaign period.
Yeah, he said this is his lifelong dream, and how prepared is he to actually mount that rostrum and receive, you know, the mantle of power, I mean, from your association with him in the past few days?
I'll tell you that in Sèériøòs Tinubu's presidency, we'll have the most prepared ever, you know, president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, the most prepared ever. And I'll tell you why, because he's been a part of the journey, you know, and he has seen the problems, and he has seen solutions, and he has seen possible challenges that you can, you know, encounter. And he's been able to build a team, and he has left legacies, you know, in different sectors: wealth creation, human capital development, you know, talent identification, and, you know, nourishing. He's done all of this, and he's come to the point where the hope of the average Nigerian is actually on the low, and he's aware of it. And, you know, the very determination for him to deliver those he knows that he can deliver to the country. This is why he came back.
All right.
This is why he joined politics.
Yeah. And so I come to Dr. Sam Amadi. How have you seen all the arrangements going on at the moment? I mean, during the week, as at Thursday, there was this fever pitch situation across the country until this Supreme Court judgment on Friday, which actually made sure that whatever was already on ground continued without the much expectations that we had heard could happening. So now, what's been your assessment of all that's been happening?
I think it's been a bit of anxiety, but now less so. I mean, clearly, with the Supreme Court rejecting the PDP bid to nullify nomination of the Vice President, who would invariably nullify the nomination of the President to elect himself. That been off the way, and of course, the case of perjury also thrown out. Technically, there's no other case but the tribunal going on, which should continue. We should start actually even after the inauguration. So the course seem clear. Again, the activities have been measured. I mean, we've seen basic statutory things. Handover happened 2 days ago, which is basically formality, because the president will be a president after May 29. So basically can't hand over anything to him. Otherwise,
but it's based on the executive order 14, which was put in place.
That executive order, actually, some people are thinking could be challenging because some questions are necessary. Because let me tell you what I've done well with executive order is to streamline process of handover. If you want the US process, briefings for the incoming, security briefings, all those things have to happen. So the executive order is good to the extent that it created a handshake between the outgoing and the incoming. So it streamlines, which is a very good thing. So this note is coming in fully briefed, aware of what things look like. But the connotation or the language, maybe they should change it. Don't say handover, because you can't hand over, you can't start dealing, receiving the official documents of government in that sense until you become president. So, but other briefings,
receiving security briefings and all of that.
Those security briefings, for example, if you watch the security protocol, the brief, the Senate president is briefed often times, but they don't need to know. They can brief speaker. So they even brief 4 presidents if they like. So, but the chief executive, the commander-in-chief of the armed forces, the president, is the one who has control of government. So the point I'm making is that he has the right to be briefed of, in fact, almost everything, because he's going to take over power. But again, the nuances and the legality of it is avoidable. We could have moved on. Again, second point is that because Abuja is a little bit caught in a dragon, opposition and ruling party, maybe the boss is out of the streets. You know, if for the first time I had seen a president who didn't win or score very high in Abuja. So that explains some of the low tone. But activities have gone as scheduled. I was yesterday when I had the show, the big show.
Yeah,
in the night,
musical concert.
I was driving to right. Many people didn't know, because apparently you would think that Abuja is like Washington DC. Many of the people are opposition people, so they have no interest to go. But apart from that, this has gone as scripted. This is just basically formalities that will culminate in taking on power.
and gentlemen, good day, my brothers and sisters, my mummies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all. Ladies and gentlemen, good day, my brothers and sisters, my mummies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all. Ladies and gentlemen, good day, my brothers and sisters, my mummies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all.